That looks like a butt. Oh my God, Asia?
That's me, girl.
Oh, hey, girls.
We are back, Ninja Dynamic Duo. For shots and swatches, we took a little hiatus, you know.
Are you ready to get started?
So Nanette, what you gonna be sipping on?
Well, let's go look into the cabinet.
Oh, she got a full setup bar. Oh, do you want me to pick a vote for you, or are you going to pick it yourself?
I'm just gonna pick. I'm gonna try a liqueur this time. Also, don't mind my shorts, guys, because this is, you know, business on the top, comfort on the bottom.
Because I'm gonna be drinking some white rum. So we got a lot of shots to get through.
We got a lot, and I'm a little nervous because it's been a minute since we did this.
Like, why didn't we just do wine?
That's actually, I don't know why we didn't just, wait a minute. Oh, what? This feels like there's a lot. I feel like I'm pouring a lot.
Because that's not a shot glass, so it's kind of wide. You might be...
Cheers.
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 Oh, God.
Wi-Fi frozen.
Hello, are you there? I see your eyes moving.
Damn it.
I'm really excited because these palettes are named after two things I like a lot. Wine and money.
Maybe we should remind everyone how they're called snap shadows because they literally snap together. Genius. And you can pop it apart.
Do that again. I could see it when you did it. Yes. So let's do wine first.
Super pretty. It's just an amazing combination of colors. Super wearable, which I love. Nice mix of shimmer, mattes.
Get into shade one, which is Pop the Cork.
Pop it.
Boy, right here. I haven't swatched in a minute with my hands.
I'm pretty impressed. Look at that. I like this because, you know, it's not super sparkly. It's just like a nice hint of shimmer to really catch the light and have some more dimension, but not like, whoa.
During this quarantine, what have you been doing? I mean, I kind of know what you've been doing, but other people don't know what you've been doing or what I've been doing.
That's true. I know this sounds like a little cliche, but I've really been taking this time to work on myself. I don't know if you can really tell, to be honest, but it feels good inside.
Honestly, I ain't gonna lie. I've been enjoying working from home.
Whenever I watch the YouTube videos, everyone's comments, gonna come back from quarantine ripped or snatched. And I was like, I don't know how different I'll be, but I'll feel different on the inside.
Cheers.
I'm already sweating.
The worst part is I don't have a chaser.
We are digging into bottle service. Nowadays, speaking of what I've been doing in quarantine, I feel like bottle service to me means using water bottles as weights because I didn't have any weights at home. So they're like, why don't you just use whatever's at home? No equipment needed. Use water bottles.
That's so funny because that's what I've been doing too, using, but not water bottles, actual alcohol bottles, because I've been drinking, but I haven't been drinking that much. So I had so many bottles and use these as weights.
It looks really different on our skin tones, but equally as pretty. I've been trying to work on that peach, you know?
Ooh.
It's hard.
That peach on the bottom. We got that WAP.
Is it wonderful or what is it? Wonderful ass pal? Okay.
Wonderful sauce. What did you think it would have been? What if it was worldwide amicable palette?
Yeah, that sounds like a great best friend type of thing. So besides fitness, have you picked up anything else?
Definitely a lot more cooking. The air fryer.
Great for reheating, great for cooking. This is not sponsored by an air fryer, guys, but honestly, it's just...
Cheers.
Cheers. Mine's like leaking.
She bubbly.
She bubbly. Yes.
There we go. Y'all see that? I love when I do this thing right here. Give you a little upside down.
Ooh, look at that. Cheers.
I like putting it up to the camera like that. Can you see me through it?
It kind of reminds me of like a TikTok transformation, and then we suddenly look different, except we look the same. All right, next up, ROSÉ SPRITZ. I love this beautiful matte color right here. This is such a beautiful base color. Just like the perfect amount of matte, super creamy. Is that mine?
It just came out on its own.
Here we go. Just like the old days.
Cheers.
Cheers. We're not even halfway yet. Oh my.
PINOT, please. This is that beautiful. I love this shade. Like, what? You're giving me deep, sexy violet vibes.
Super pretty. I love this. It's like a rich royal purple.
This is a good angle for me. My turn. I like this. I'm turning.
It's like a dance.
It is. What dance?
Tutting. We're tutting.
I don't remember. Hit them with the flex. Hit them with the flex.
I feel like I'm just really making my way through this liquor bottle. Cheers. All right, next up, Sherry Fairy. Of course, a classic kind of like bronzy brown. Sometimes if I just want that kind of everyday look, I'll just put a nice wash all over my eye, and it doesn't look like I'm really wearing eyeshadow. It just has that nice little hint of dimension. So,
But who is emailing me right now?
Yep.
What's that name?
Wine Snap Shadow Palette.
I meant the name of the shade.
Oh, I was like, wine. The Sherry Fairy. The wine.
The camera is confusing me.
What if I do this?
Oh, yeah. Nice.
Much better. Much better.
Hold on. This cellulite right there. There we go. There we go. We got a whole new palette to get into. Number 10. Oh, we got to take a shot. Oh, my God. Did we take a shot?
Cheers.
Are you emailing right now?
So I was like, I better respond.
Next shade.
Ooh, so pretty.
Oh, actually, yeah, the money palette. But this one right here is called Fat Pockets.
I actually love a good jewel tone. It's like a sheen enough so the light really reflects it.
Yeah, and people probably, like, I've heard so many people say, I never knew I needed a green eyeshadow palette until now. I never knew. And then we saw so many, like, influencers create beautiful looks, and then Priscilla creates beautiful looks with this palette. So it was just like, yeah, we all kind of need green eyeshadow.
Yes.
You see that?
I feel like back before quarantine, I'd like go out, live my best life, you know, or whatever. But now I'm literally like growing tomatoes. They're like so cute. They're cherry tomatoes. I'm like, oh my God, look at these tomatoes. And then, I don't know, I'm looking at like getting different furniture. I'm wearing like sweats that look like my high school gym clothing, you know? But I was like, man, this is just bringing out a whole new side of me.
You know, sweats. I'm a firm believer in being yourself regardless. So
yeah, that's true.
Be your best self whenever, however you feel your best self is, show up. And cheers to that.
As you should. I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. I only drank like half of that because I'm starting to feel...
Everybody in the club get tipsy.
I'm excited, not only because I love the color, but I love the name. This is called Need Receipts. It's kind of like this beautiful shimmery spring green. It's like a super pretty shimmer. I can't even talk.
I'm warming it up for you.
Ew.
Whatever, I'm done. Next is Time is Money.
I heard that.
I love running my fingers in it. This is like matcha.
Ooh, you right.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that.
I just don't want to drink anymore. Cheers. This is literally the most I've drank since like February. Next color, Rubber Bands. I love, obviously this is the perfect neutral to complement the more pigmented, colorful greens. But it's actually got like a hint of a green undertone underneath, if you can tell. All right, here we go.
Oh, this is really close to my skin.
Oh.
Roll it. One thing I will say is our mats are velvety.
So velvety.
Okay.
Like I could just like do this forever because it's so velvety.
Oh, lay back. You gotta pop that wrist up, girl. Shots.
Okay, shots.
Oh, Nanette, I have a question for you. Did you make sure you hit my direct deposit?
Yes. What day is today? Oh, it's so creamy.
Oh, yours is different. Look at mine.
Yeah, mine's like more brown. Like a hint of brown, I feel like. Yours is
more got the greens in that.
Mm-hmm. One more shot. Flash Money. That's this beautiful gold shimmery color. You know we couldn't do a palette without an amazing gold. Goes really well with our Kilowatt and Trophy Wife.
Amen.
I'm just gonna let it speak for itself. Look at this. Just one swipe. Amazing. It's very appropriate in the money palette because it's all gold everything.
Ooh, ooh.
I don't know what it is.
So what kind of look are you thinking? What's the palette that you want to use? Only a little splish splash. I go. That will give you inspiration for your look.
That's true. Do I need any more? I'm gonna like pass out on the chair. Well, I'm gonna use wine because I also love Underdog. So I'm gonna do a whole like wine maroon look. So that's what I'm gonna do. I need some water, guys.
Get her some milk. I'm gonna do money. And then I realized that our cadet palette number 7 has full tone too.
Yes.
So cadet, and because they snap together, I'm a money cadet. Let's just get into it and see what we create.
I'm just gonna start with Sherry Fairy because it's a nice neutral. Just put a little bit of it on, but it already looks like a look.
I like to start with like a neutral base. I don't know why, because I feel like a neutral base always helps me figure out what direction to go. Like
sometimes you just gotta see where the shadows take you, you know?
I'm using Time is Money, THYME, like the
herb.
Yeah. I'm gonna take She Salute from number 7, which is this color. It's like a mustardy color, and I'm gonna just apply it where my heart feels like it should go, which is here and here. I'm going wrong.
It's a nice smoky look. I'm gonna use Pinot Please, and I'm kind of gonna use it like an eyeliner at the base of me lashes, and then I kind of use it like to kind of define this crease a little bit.
I'm like, I got to blend, girl.
That's definitely one of the things I learned. If you ever feel like you really like effed up, then just take up a clean brush or a blush that you had more for like the crease color and just keep blending.
And I'm gonna go my inner corner with Flash Money. Flash Money.
Flash Money. I'm gonna use a 240 eyeshadow brush and then go into Bottle Service here for a little pinky color.
I'm gonna tap into the wine palette actually. Girl, I'm just trying some things. I'm gonna hit the Pop the Cork right here. This is how we do it.
Well, I'm gonna finish my look off with Underdog, which also launched with the Money and Wine palette.
But I think I'm gonna just kind of line with the gold, and then I'm gonna pop it off with our Ivy Lee. Do y'all see that? Do you see what I'm giving them right now?
Ooh, it looks nice.
Clear, glass slipper, gloss on. Oh my God, you got it.
I have to do a guest appearance by PINOT.
Oh my gosh, I love these looks.
I love how it's like super different. So it's amazing for fall. You can do like the green Money palette. You can do this maroon. Monochromatic for fall with the Underdog lipstick, one of my favorites.
They're peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time.
It's your time to shine. Right. All right. Well, this is stressful, so I'm just gonna. We were like not in sync.
No, on one, take it away. Well, it's been real than that. You know, I think we're going to do this again. Next time, maybe we're going to be drinking alcohol. We kind of got a little lost in the sauce.
What do you mean?
No. But at the end of the day, we gave y'all what y'all been waiting for.
Yep.
Now, it's time for us to head out. I hope you love. Actually, pick up the Wine Money collection.
It was so good to reconnect with you.
Nanja out.